Hey, Ravi Jayagopal here from digitalaccesspass.com. I just wanted to give you a quick update about the newest release of S3MediaVault.com. As you may already know, S3 Media Vault is a fast and secure audio and video player and file protector for files hosted on Amazon S3. S3 Media Vault basically helps you protect your membership site and online course by protecting and securing your video, audio, and other files like PDF and doc and zip and even images from unauthorized access. S3 Media Vault 5.0 was just released and it now has a really pretty, highly customizable audio player. So here's what it used to look like before. And here's what it looks like now in version 5.0. Version 5.0 is a huge step forward in the evolution of S3 Media Vault because, as you know, the prettier and nicer the media player, the more your website visitor will be drawn towards it. And that means the higher the chance that they will click play and listen to your audio. For example, the music service SoundCloud, which you may or may not have heard of, and which may or may not be around by the time you see this video, owes most of its popularity, and basically this is how they initially shot to fame because of their incredibly beautiful audio player. So whether you're using S3 Media Vault on your sales page or say on your blog post to play individual audio episodes or individual episodes from your audiobook, online course, or whether it's in your members area to play your private members only audio, you know that the prettier, nicer player is definitely going to give your content a huge boost. So let me break down the new player first, and then I'll show you the WordPress admin backend. S3 Media Vault now has a large and pretty play button. So it's easy for your visitors to identify the audio players on your page right away, as it is bold and beautiful. You can now customize the title for the audio that is shown right on the player itself, and this title can explain, say, what the audio is about, like a headline. And if you don't wish to provide any text, then S3 Media Vault will display the file name like facebookcourse.mp3. Then there's a download icon right now on the player itself, which you can customize to either show or not show. That's up to you. And this download icon links directly to your secure MP3 URL. Or if you directly link it to an insecure S3 file, which is not protected by the plugin, or if you just host the media on your own site, which is not recommended, but you can still do it, then clicking on it will show the option to the user to either save the file or open it. Very similar to any other file you download from the web. Smart speed. Now this is one of my favorite features. By default, the audio plays at normal speed, but when you click on it, it speeds up playback to play at speeds of 1.5x and 2x. So you can basically listen to the same audio either 1.5 times faster, like this. In today's episode, I talk about the psychology of a rabid fan and how you can use that to create better content and monetize it. Or twice as fast, like this. Today, I actually want to tell you a true story that delves into the psychology of a rabid fan and how you can use those insights to create better content and better offers for your membership site or online course. And the reason it's called smart speed is because it's not going to simply blindly speed up the audio and make the person talking sound like a chipmunk.
We know how hard you've been working on Ashley's album, so we thought it would be fun to surprise you with a little party. Hey!
Instead, this feature speeds up the audio by only cutting out the dead air and the gaps and the extended silences. The starting timestamp always shows how much time has elapsed since the audio started playing. A nice and big scrubber allows the listener to easily fast forward or rewind the audio according to their convenience. Comes with an easy to use color picker with a full color palette that lets you pick any color of your choice for the player background. You can also enter hexadecimal codes like hashtag 0FAACC, especially if you already know what color you wish to use, say from the look and feel of your existing theme or other existing colors on your page. Another cool new feature is to be able to use your own artwork or photo with each audio file. You can basically use any image hosted anywhere online, like Google Drive or Dropbox or Amazon S3, and of course, even an image stored on your own WordPress site in your media library. Let's now take a quick look at the WordPress admin backend. So in the WordPress text editor screen, you will see the S3 icon here, and you click on it and it'll open up a pop-up. So under content type, if you select audio with player, you will see the new audio player settings. I won't go through all of the settings. These settings have not changed. So under the audio player settings, you will now see a new configuration here saying use advanced player options. And if you move the mouse over the tooltip, you will see a little bit of explanation about what that means. Then you click on yes. Now this is where all the new settings are. So this is where you can say title. So before it just ended here, right? So you could enter either a file name .mp3 from your Amazon S3 account. You already set up the bucket name and everything else in the S3 Media Vault configuration, or you can put it on a full URL here. But now you have all these advanced options. So you can enter title of the audio, URL of the artwork image. It can be hosted by yourself on your own WordPress site in the media library. Once you upload an image, it'll give you a full URL. Use that here. So it should start with HTTP. And then you have the player color, right? That's the background of the color. So you can click this and you'll see a color picker, and then you can choose that. And you also have the ability to configure the text color. So you can, that also, again, another color picker. And then this is the show speed icon, yes or no. If you want people to be able to fast forward 1x, 1.5x, and 2x, then this is the show download icon. The download icon will link directly to either the protected MP3 file, the secure MP3 link that is generated by S3 Media Vault from Amazon S3, or if you have a full URL, like if you're using this for one of your podcast episodes or just general public audio on your blog post, then it'll be the full URL, and the download link will directly link to that. So when they click on it, you'll see the usual save as or open option. So that's the fantastic, pretty, and highly customizable new S3 Media Vault player version 5.0. It is totally responsive, meaning it'll look just as pretty on any screen of any size, desktop or mobile, from iPhone to Android to Windows to BlackBerry. No flash required, fully HTML5 compatible. And it still has all the same amazing file protection features to protect all of your files stored on Amazon S3. So whether it's audio, if you just want to link to the audio, the download option is there right on the player. Or if you want to just create a link and not have a player, you can do that too. If you want to have an actual video player, S3 Media Vault has a secure built-in video player, but if you just wanted to link to the video so that they can download it and watch it offline, you can do that as well. Then there's other files that you may wish to protect, like PDF or zip or doc and so on. So check out your options below for buying S3 Media Vault for the first time, or for renewing this plugin if you previously owned it and your access to upgrades and support has expired. And don't forget to check out my podcast about membership sites and online courses at subscribeme.fm. Cheers.